In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PPT from Genspark AI. If you've already created your presentation inside the AI Slides interface and you're ready to use it outside the platform, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can download the file and start editing or sharing it right away. Begin by opening the deck you want to export. Inside the AI Slides interface, click on the specific project you created. This is the presentation you'll be downloading, so take a quick moment to make sure you've opened the correct one before moving on. That can save you time later, especially if you have multiple projects in your workspace. Once the deck is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find the export button in the toolbar there. Go ahead and click it. This is where Genspark gives you different download and output options for your presentation. After the export menu appears, choose PPTX from the list of available formats. PPTX is the standard PowerPoint file type, so this is the best choice if you want a presentation file that's easy to edit and widely supported across different apps and devices. After selecting PPTX, give the system a few seconds to process everything. During this step, Genspark packs your presentation assets and prepares the file for download. Once that's finished, the file will save locally to your device. Depending on your browser settings, it may go directly into your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Once downloaded, your presentation can be opened and edited natively in Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Apple Keynote. That gives you flexibility if you want to make final edits, present from a different platform, or share the file with someone using another presentation tool. And that's how to download a PPT from Genspark AI.